What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back at it again with another video. Okay.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Back again with another video. This bonnet makes me look like a chef. This thing is so big, but hey, it's so nice, so comfy, and it's reversible. I would show you the other side, but Sis's hair is looking a hot mess and I gotta braid it, so we're not gonna do all that, but you'll see it in another video. I just have it like this because I want it to match, you know. I wanted to match, and cheetah print won't go with this. But anyways, so today, so like I said, today we got a little package, and your girl is being bold. Now I won't be installing it today because I'm trying to wait till I get my lashes, okay? The whole thing will not be all together until I get my lashes. So y'all just gonna have to wait. But I'm getting them this weekend, okay? So yeah. FYI, I'm not ordering lashes from Amazon ever again. I don't care how fast, I need them. I'm not ordering from them again because it just takes too long. Everything's so expensive with them now. Ooh. All right, so we are going bold. We are going Barbie. We are going Black Girl Magic. Okay? And today, what I got is something from Sensational, the Sheer Muse collection, and it is pink. We going pink, y'all. I cannot wait to finesse this wig. I'm trying to tell you, like, I'm really fixing to finesse it. I don't know why. I just been wanting to go pink for some odd reason. Like, I just want something different, and I mean, that's me all the way. Like, I've had like all hair colors of the rainbow, but my natural hair at that. But now, you know, I'm not trying to do all that dyeing, yada yada with my natural hair. So we doing it with the wigs. Another thing too, y'all, this is a synthetic wig. Now, I'm trying to tell you, I used to get a lot of them all the time, and for real, mine will sit and last a good while. I don't know what some of y'all be doing when it comes to the synthetic hair, but for me, I take care of my hair. It should not last you 1 day, 2 days. I don't know what y'all got going on. Take some tips from these other girls, etc. I mean, I can even do some tips my own self near future, but I'm just trying to tell you, we are going to finesse and keep up, okay? Finesse and keep up with this wig. It's so pretty though. It's so bright. Like, let me undo it. Let me unpackage it. I mean, hold on. So, you know, I was just trying to be beauty on a budget right now because folks are trying to move, and my birthday's coming up next month, and I just wanted to have something. I mean, I might have to get another one before then, but who knows. But they have a whole collection, y'all, like a whole palette. Look at this. Okay, well, I'm not trying to take it all the way out like talking about it. I'm gonna just hold it up, but the day that I, you know, install it in my hair and stuff, I'll take it out and etc. But look at that, and look at all those pretty colors, y'all. Like, honestly, I was looking at so many reviews, and the next one I want to do is, I don't even know, because I want to get another one. Like, I would do this whole collection for real, like the whole collection. So they have baby pink. Well, the first one they have Color Me, baby pink, baby purple, baby blue, mint frost, neon lemon, neon lime, neon pink, neon tangerine, neon fire, neon royal blue, neon forest, teal green, and neon purple. When I tell you that I saw like so many reviews for this, and the girls were like killing all these colors, like they were killing it. So I just couldn't help myself to sit there and be like, yo, let me do that too, cause I'm gonna kill it. All right, one way or another, we gonna figure this out as to how to get this wig all together. And then of course this is the model. She looks beautiful. She's in the neon. But yeah, I'm not gonna take it all the way out, you know, as much as I really want to like just plop this on my head now, like pluck what's needed, do whatever, get it going. We are gonna wait until I can have my whole face all how I would like it, and have my lashes. My eye keeps twitching. Like, no, I need more sleep. So by the time my lashes come this weekend, I'm gonna be all together, okay? It says ear to ear lace with baby hair. I see the baby hair already. It is ear to ear. Some girls, they sit there and they mostly will wear it in the middle part. I saw one girl wear it to the side, and of course the lace, like, it's not gonna go all the way to the side. But when you can finesse, then you're gonna make a side part either way, okay? If that's what you want to do. But for me, I don't really know what, but we are gonna see, okay? Like, this is different, and I'm not gonna lie, like, I've had my natural hair pink before, and it wasn't even intentional. It was okay, it was giving, but it was just like the color chart, because I had to have my hair that way. That's a whole nother story. But this is going to be so fun. Like, I cannot wait to do this. It's so pretty. I don't know how many inches it is. Yeah, but I cannot wait. So stay tuned for the next video. I will put the links down below where I got it from. I got it from Sam's Beauty, by the way, and it did not take long. I think I ordered it Monday and I got it today, and they said it was supposed to come like around 5 or whatever, but around 5ish, but I got it around 2 something. So I mean, it was pretty fast. Plus, I didn't even know it was going to come today. I thought it was going to take longer because I did not do regular shipping. I just did free shipping. But yeah, I said I didn't do the, oh yeah, I just did the free shipping. So I was gonna wait, but during the process, I was looking at all the videos so I can kind of see like what I'm working with, but I cannot wait. Oh, I cannot wait. I'm fixing to be a whole black Barbie, y'all. A whole black Barbie, okay? I'm gonna try my bestest. So stay tuned for that next video this weekend, okay? This weekend. Turn them notifications on. Subscribe. Yeah, all right?